This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Oracle Right. So today I'm presenting sixth session of quick knowledge upgrade on which I'm focusing Oracle database related things. So today I will show you the resource limit for Oracle software installation user. So for each installation, a software owner user account have some resource limit. So on Oracle Linux system, Oracle recommend that you install Oracle pre-install RPM to meet pre-installation requirement like configuring your operating system to set the resource limit in the in the limits dot conf file. So this file is basically hold the resource shell limit of open file descriptors, and it hold the number of processes available to a single user and the size of the stack segment of the process and memory maximum logged memory limit. So these are the things which actually reside in this limits.conf file. If you are not using if you are not using Oracle pre-install RPM package, then you need to edit this file and set the limit. So how you will check what is the things? So right now nothing is there. So hard, soft, these is there. Okay. So this file is basically used when we when we install Oracle database. Okay, so the soft limit for open file descriptor and the resource is no file, and soft limit is 1024 and hard limit is 65536. Okay, so how you will check that? So for that we have u limit hyphen sn, or you want to check everything, so you limit hyphen a, it will display all the things like core file size, data set size, scheduling priority, file size, pending signals, max logged memory, max memory size, open files, pipe file size, POSIX message queues, real time priority, stack size, CPU time, maximum user processes, virtual memory, and file logs. Okay, so this will tell you all the informations. Now, if you want to check, if you want to check you limit hyphen n, so it will display the soft limit, or you can say sn, it will display soft limit. If you say hard limit, so this is 65536. So this is the way you can check about the soft and hard limit for file descriptor. And now if you want to check soft and hard limits for the number of processes available to a user, so you will check u limit hyphen u. So if I say soft limit SU, so that is 616384. If I say hard limit, so that is all 16384. So nothing is a difference between that, but you can use that actually. So earlier it was 2047, and then hard limit was 16384. But right now here everything is set. Same actually. Okay, and then size of the stack segment of the processes. uh, yeah, the number of processes limit is 2047 and 16384, that is the minimum and or maximum limit. And for stack we will check excuse me, u limit hyphen s, so that is 10240. So if I say soft limit, so that is this. If I say If I say hard limit, so that is 32768. Okay, so this is minimum limit is 10240 KB, and maximum is 32768 KB. Okay, so this is the way we can check this this information. And if you are not using Oracle, if you are doing everything from RPM, so for Oracle user it will done. And if you are implementing grid infrastructure job role separately for grid user, then you have to copy value from Oracle user to the grid user in limits.conf file. Okay, and otherwise you can edit limits.conf file. Okay, and it is not recommended to set the hard limit for no file for the Oracle user equal to proxys fs file dash max. Okay, and mm, what else? Hmm, Basically, stack space is a memory allocated to hold session variable and arrays. So that's why we did that. Okay, and uh, yeah, so this is all about Oracle soft limit and hard limit for these three components. And memory locked memory limit is basically resource is memlock, and at least 90% of the current RAM when huge pages memory is enabled, and at least 3 GB when huge memory is disabled. And hard limit is at least 90% of the current RAM when huge pages is enabled, and at least 3 GB when huge page is memory is disabled. So this is the resource limit recommended range for Oracle user actually. And you can set in the in the shell actually, so that you can use Oracle bash profile, where you can set u limit for this also, and you can set this. So to make changes this permanently, you could add a u limit in the bash profile, which is the user startup file for the bash shell on Red Hat Enterprise Linux to verify. So to verify your shell, execute echo dollar shell. So right now, which shell I'm using? Echo dollar shell. So we are using bin bash actually. So in that we had Oracle that bash underscore profile. So we are in home. So let me come out from this. PWD. So cat uh, dat bash underscore profile. So this is the file where we can set a bash limit, or you can say resource limit here also. Okay. In many example we see that. Otherwise, limits.conf is the place where we will set this settings. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope this information will add in your knowledge. And please subscribe, please like, please comment, so that I will get the confidence, or I will get the boost to record more sessions, because people only watching and not liking and not giving any comments, so that is very heartbreaking. So it is my request, if I'm doing something for you guys, so at least you just give me a confidence so that I can record more videos for you guys. and my principle is keep learning and sharing the knowledge. Okay, so that's why I'm working on that. And yeah, subscribe to join our community so that you can see our premium content. And thanks again for being here, and happy learning, and wait for the next session. Thank you.